dear friends, this is Krita, and I want to show you today how to do one file to be presented by two windows which will be open at the same time on your screen and you can work with them together. Okay, usually if you open some files, then you have them opened, but you can work with one of it or has opened another one, but not two of them together. But what if you want to have this file opened in two windows at the same time? Okay, let's close second one and go to settings, go to configure Krita and find here window and multiple documents mode, switch it from tabs to sub windows. Okay, now you can go to window, new view and click here. Okay, now you have two windows, two views of the same file, and what you will do here at this one, you will see the same changes done in another window. So you can work with some details here and see how it will be in this smaller image, like that, for example. You see? The same. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.